Good morning, I'm Ted with droneted, and I'm going to show you how we replace the yaw motor on a damaged P4 or P4 Pro gimbal. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's not working correctly. The P4 is starting up. Looks somewhat normal so far, but you'll see what happens when you have a hard landing or actually crash the drone. The yaw motor gets damaged, and this is the result. There's a mark on the Hall sensor in the yaw motor, and it has to be replaced. The Hall sensors are located here and here. There's two on each, one on each side. There'll be a scratch on one or both of those. It can be a scratch, a deep gouge, and this will be the result. And in a moment, I'm going to tear this down and show you how this yaw motor is replaced so that it'll work properly.